So last week, someone in my Telegram channel sent me a message. He said he tried to sell his USDT and the money never got into his account. That is, the person he sold his USDT to never transferred money into his own account. And this guy had to wait for about 3 days and still nothing happened. And what he had to do was that he had to start chasing someone he barely knows on the internet. And this is not like a news story. We hear it every day. It happens all the time. And the weird part about this is that it's not that crypto is unsafe. Crypto is really safe. It's just because people are using the wrong method to sell their crypto or their USDT to Naira in Nigeria. So in this video, I'm going to break down the different ways you can sell your USDT in Nigeria, what the risks are with each one of these options, and the method I think makes the most sense if you actually want your money fast and without any drama. So without wasting your time, let's get into it. So when it comes to selling USDT in Nigeria, you basically have a few options, and I'm going to mention these few options to you. Now, the first option is the informal P2P. Now, this option is the most common one, and the way it works is that, someone in your maybe WhatsApp group or Telegram will say, oh, I buy USDT, and then you send them your crypto and you hope that they send your money into your bank account. I've done this, a lot of us have done this, and sometimes it works, but other times you are sending DMs for days and you're hoping that the person is not, ghosting you or just ignoring you. You're hoping that the person is real and legit. Now, that's the first option. That's the first way people sell their USDT in Nigeria. Now, the second option is centralized exchange P2P. Now, this is where buyers and sellers are matched together and the exchange holds the crypto in escrow until payment is confirmed. Now, this one is safer than the random person you meet on the internet, but it is still dependent on the buyer releasing payment quickly and fast. And if there is like a dispute or maybe disagreement, you will have to wait for the support on the app to help you out, and this can take hours or even sometimes days. So that's the second option. Now, the third option is the exchange fiat wallet, or what we call the swap feature. Now, you see, this is the feature where you swap your crypto directly on the platform and the fiat lands into your wallet, and then you withdraw your money directly into your bank account. So there's nothing like you waiting for the buyer. There's no back and forth. You just swap your crypto to Naira, withdraw your money to your bank account, and you're done. So these are basically the three options you have to sell your USDT to Naira in Nigeria. Now, you see, out of all these options I've mentioned, I always advise that you use a platform that allows you to swap your USDT directly. If not this, then you can use a trusted P2P platform. And in this video, I want to introduce you to a platform that offers both P2P and instant swap options. And the name of this app is called Remitano. Now, I've been using the Remitano app since 2021. And in case you don't know, I've made so many videos about the app since 2021. And I still use it till today to sell my cryptocurrency. And the swap feature on the app is the one I use the most. So I want to show you right now how you can sell your USDT to Naira with this feature on the Remitano app. So right now, as you can see on the screen right here, this is the Remitano homepage. This is how the app looks like. And by the way, if you don't have a Remitano account, you can use my referral link in the description below. I also put it in the pinned comment of this video. So just go ahead and use that link to create an account. My referral code will also be in the description below. So right here on the screen is the Remitano app. You can see clean interface. There's nothing confusing on the app. You have the home page, you have the history, you have the swap page, you have the wallet page, and you have your profile page. And then if you come right here on the screen, once you create your account, the first thing you want to do is to put money into your wallet. So if you want to put money into your wallet, it is simple and straightforward. So to do that, just come right here to where it says add money. If you click on it, it will show you the two options you have to deposit into the wallet. So you can buy crypto via P2P right here, or you just deposit crypto from another wallet or from another exchange directly to your Remitano wallet. And it is simple. So just come right here. If it's crypto, just click on the crypto part, and then you go right here to select the crypto you want to deposit. So let's say you want to deposit USDT, just click on it. And right here on the screen, you have to select the wallet address. So if it's TRC20, just select it right there. And then to show you your wallet address, just copy it and then paste it on the exchange or the wallet you want to transfer from, and then deposit directly into this wallet. So once you've deposited into your wallet, you just go back to your home page. Like I said, you can also deposit via P2P. So whichever one you prefer, just go right there and do that. By the way, if you want me to show you how you can deposit via P2P on the app, let me know in the comment section below. I basically want to show you the swap feature for this video, but if you want a dedicated video on the P2P feature on the Remitano app, please let me know in the comment section below. I'm ready to make that video for you guys. So back to what I was saying. So once you've deposited your money into your wallet, the next thing you want to do is to go to the swap page. So you come right to the bottom, you can see where you have the swap, just click on it. Now, once you come here to the swap page, just come here to where you have from. So you can see it is USDT. That means that you want to swap your USDT to another currency. So it is NGN right here. If you don't have NGN right here, just click on it. So you click on it right there, and then you search for NGN. So I'll search for NGN right there. This is it. So you just select it. That's if it's not here. So I'll just come right here and enter the amount I want to swap. Let's say I want to swap 50 USD. So you can see right there, 50 USDT, it will give me 69,765. And then you can see the rate. So they'll show you the rate right there. 1 USDT as at the time of making this video is 1,405. So it will calculate it for you and show you. And then once you click on preview order, it will show you the summary of your transaction. And once you click on confirm right here, you have swapped your USDT to your Naira in your Remitano wallet. It is as simple as that. It doesn't even take up to minutes or even hours. It's very, very simple, fast, and straight to the point. Now, once you've done this, the next thing you want to do is to withdraw your money to your bank account, your Naira bank account. Now, to do that, it is also simple. So just come right here to where you have withdraw. So I'll just click on withdraw there. So you can withdraw your fiat or your crypto. So in this case, you are withdrawing to our Naira bank account. So just click on fiat right there. And then you can see you are drawing your NGN, that's for Nigerians, or to any Nigerian bank account. So just click on it. So as you can see on the screen right here, once you get to this page, just come here to this page and enter the amount you want to withdraw to your bank account. And if you want to enter your account details, you see it right there. So I'll blow it right there so that you don't see my account details. And if you want to change it, just click on change right here. If you want to change your account details, it is as simple as that. And just click on continue, and the money is transferred to your bank account instantly, immediately. And by the way, one thing I want to add is that Remitano has been around for 12 years. Now, this is not a platform that is new from nowhere. They've been around for 12 years, and 12 years in the crypto ecosystem is a long time. It tells you something about stability of the brand or of the company. And they also have zero fees on your fiat deposit and your withdrawals. So if you withdraw your money, you're not paying any fee. They also have 0% on P2P taker fees. So if you want to use the Remitano platform, if you want to sign up, use my referral link in the description below. I'll also pin it in the comment section of this video. Now, with everything I've said so far, in case you want to go ahead to sell with P2P, let me give you some mistakes that you need to avoid. The first mistake is sending crypto before confirming payment. Please don't ever do this in any P2P platform or any P2P trade you are using, because once your USDT leaves your wallet to a random person, it is gone. So always confirm payment before releasing your crypto. A lot of beginners always fall for this. So please always confirm payment before you release the crypto. Now, the second mistake is chasing rate. Now, you see, I understand that you want like the best trade to, sell your crypto and get bigger money or more money to your bank account. But if you are trying to chase like an extra 10 Naira per dollar from someone you don't know who has no accountability, then that's like good luck with your money, because that's how people lose money. So be very, very careful. Now, mistake number 3 is using platforms with no dispute system. Now, you see, on the Remitano app, one thing I love about the app is that if something goes wrong with your P2P trade on the app, there is a structured process. But if something goes wrong with the random buyer you meet online on a random platform, then I think good luck with your money again, because that is how so many people also lose money. And that is why I always tell people that the swap feature on the Remitano app is genuinely one of the best ways I've seen to convert your USDT to Naira very fast and easily. And I just showed you the whole process in a few minutes in this video. So again, go ahead and try this feature on the Remitano app. Sign up with my link in the description below. It just takes you minutes, and check it out yourself. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, drop a comment below in the comment section. Let me know what you feel about this platform. If you have used this before, let me also know in the comment section below. And if you are new to my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.